Moisture sensor concept. So the idea here is to send a 5-volt signal to the soil, or in this case a sponge, and 10K resistor going back to ground, and then an analog read to the Arduino to measure the variation in the resistance, and that's kind of how you judge how much water is in the soil. You know, the more water, the less resistance, and, drier, the more resistance. So very simple. I've got the code mocked up here, and let's see here. Let's start my monitor. So moisture level is 186, and these are just kind of arbitrary numbers right now. This is between 0 and 1024, and I'll probably map this to percentage once I take readings on, what's an ideal moisture level and all that. So that being said, it's just kind of cycling through, and I have it set to once it hits a certain level, in this case 300, the light should turn on. So let's go ahead and try that out, see if this actually works. If I can take some water here, whoa, without dumping it everywhere. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh, light turns on. And you can see right here, whoa, we are at 300, 296, 289. So yep, light went back out now that it's below that level, since the sponge absorbed some water. Let's go ahead and give it another shot here and see this shoot up again. All right. There we are. And you can see 313 back down to 288. So yeah, just a concept, just to show that this could work. You can do all sorts of things once you have that that reading. I already have my other systems set up to send out an email if the soil reaches a certain dryness level. You can do all sorts of things. Pretty much whatever you are equipped for, or whatever you can build to it. So kind of neat. All right, that's it.